Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the Iqoo Z9x. Charge above 50% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't corrupt. Once done, backup photos and app data to cloud or PC, then verify at least 5/8 GB free storage for the OTA. Make sure you have your My/Iqoo account signed in. Now open Settings, go to System Updates, and tap Check for updates to fetch Android 15. Proceed when the update appears. You should download the Android 15 package completely, prefer Wi-Fi to avoid caps, and watch the progress bar. Once downloaded, tap Install. The phone will prepare, optimize apps, and request permissions for features. During this phase, let the device sit on a charger and avoid tapping or restarting it. If prompted to clear cache or migrate apps, follow on-screen prompts to keep data intact. The phone will reboot several times. This is normal as the system finalizes upgrades. After the last reboot, you'll complete the first time setup, reapprove permissions, sign into accounts, and redo biometrics if needed. Make sure you update all apps from the Play Store so they run well on Android 15. Once everything checks out, review battery and performance for anomalies. If the phone gets stuck in boot or shows crashes, clear the system cache via recovery. If problems persist, backup data and perform a factory reset. That single troubleshooting step typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.